Did you know Microsoft Project has an entry bar just like Excel? In this video, I'll show you how you can either activate it if you want it or deactivate it if you don't want it. Okay, so here we are in Microsoft Project and we can see that there is no entry bar as we would expect possibly to see. To get the entry bar onto our project desktop, then we go to File. We come down to Options. Now, depending on the resolution of your screen, you may have to scroll down to find that, or you may have to click on More. We come up to Display, and we look down at the bottom, Show these elements, and entry bar is there. It's unchecked at the moment. When we check it and press OK, then the entry bar is there. If I click on the task name here, then the name comes up in the taskbar. Now, equally, if we don't want an entry bar, then we can do the opposite. We go to File, we come down to Options, we go to Display, we uncheck entry bar, click OK, and it's gone. Well, I hope you found that useful. If you would like more hints and tips on using Microsoft Project, then do please connect with me on my social channels as listed here, or if you're interested in more formal Microsoft Project training, then do contact me on my contact details as well. Until the next time, bye bye.